Ricardo Cepeda, wrongly accused, sabi ng anak. My father Richard Cepeda Go was wrongfully accused. Ito ang isinisigaw ni Joshua De Sequeira, ang anak ng aktor na si Ricardo Cepeda at ng dating beauty queen model na si Marina Benipayo, sa kanyang Facebook post. Dahil sa kasong syndicated estafa na isinampa laban sa kanya, inaresto ang aktor kahapon, Sabado 7 ng Oktubre taong 2023. Giit ni Joshua, he was simply the product endorser of a sales company. Bukod pa rito, iginiit niya na kapwa ang mga talbog na tseke at ang investment scheme ng kumpanyang pinag-uusapan ng reklamo ay walang kaugnayan sa kanyang ama. Ito ang kanyang buong post. Please spread the word. My father Richard Cepeda Go was wrongfully accused. He was simply the product endorser of a sales company. They used the title brand ambassador, which many companies also use. The company offered an investment scheme, which he had no knowledge nor participation of, which paid people a big porsyento profit monthly. Guaranteed with advanced payouts in monthly post-dated checks. Eventually the checks started bouncing, so the investors filed estafa cases against everyone who they thought was part of the company, including Ricardo, who was just the celebrity model. His lawyer can easily prove his innocence by presenting a copy of DTI, showing the company is a sole proprietorship and his name is not there. Also, his name appears nowhere on any of the said investment MOAs and post-dated checks. Request for bail, and if ever court date is his biggest hassle, because it means he's stuck in detainment even though he's innocent. I have seen a lot of hateful comments about this. If you don't know what really happened, keep your comments to yourself. Dahil sa warrant of arrest na inilabas ni Judge Gemma Bucaya Madrid ng Regional Trial Court Branch 12 ng Sanchez Mira, Cagayan, ikinulong si Ricardo ng mga miyembro ng Criminal Investigation and Detection Unit, CIDU, sa Caloocan City. Dinala si Ricardo sa headquarters ng Quezon City Police District sa Camp Carangal, Quezon City, at dito siya nakapiit sa kasalukuyan dahil sa ilalim ng Article 315(2)(a) ng Revised Penal Code ng Presidential Decree 1689, walang piyansa o non-bailable ang mga nasasangkot sa kaso ng syndicated estafa. Sa ngayon, 8 ng Oktubre, tanging ang post ni Joshua ang pahayag mula sa kampo ni Ricardo, at kasalukuyang nagsisirculate ang post sa social media sa tulong ng mga nagmamalasakit na kaibigan. Dahil batid nila ang magandang karakter ng aktor, at mapayapa na sumama at nakiisa sa mga umaresto sa kanya. Nahirapang isipin ng malalapit na kaibigan ni Ricardo na magagawa niyang manloko ng iba. Maaaring makita si Ricardo sa Batang Quiapo, at sinasabing noong nakulong siya, ang una niyang nakonsider ay ang paggawa ng pelikula sa nabanggit na serye dahil ayaw niyang magkagulo ang crew. Huwag kalimutang i-like ang video na ito at mag-subscribe sa aking channel. Salamat sa panonood.